What's up, guys? Gordon Briley here with Phenox Fitness Nutrition. Today we're going to do a really quick assembly of the weight plate tree holder. So this one has a plastic cap on the top. That's going to go up, so the other side goes down inside of this piece here, the receiver. The receiver has a bolt, a single bolt. You'll have 3 different bolts within the box that you get. And that's going to be one for here. It's the second hole up. So the highest one within the receiver, it's just going to pass through. So I have mine, the bolt going through the same direction as this center beam within this. So pop it through. So it's going through the smaller tube. And then it's a washer on the outside and washer on the inside. Same thing here and then same thing here. These ones are different ways. You can kind of decide how you want to set this up. That's up to you, but this is how I have it set up. So 1 hole, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th hole from the very bottom is where I have my first weight plate pegs, and I have it in the same direction as the legs because the weights as they go around actually will fit nice, and they'll fit nicely inside of these legs here, so it's all the way down as far as possible. But I do like it going this way, so the bottom of the plate actually sits down in between these legs. And then the next one up, I have spun in the opposite direction, so they don't impede with each other. But that's up to you, how you want to do it. It's meant to be designed your own. So there's 2 solid plates with cubes that slide. You're literally going to take the first one, either pull it from the bottom up before you put it in here, or you can put it all the way down and slide it down until it's in the right place, and that's when you bolt it through here. Same thing's going to be here. You're going to take this one, make sure that they're facing upward so the plates will actually stay on, because they're not perfectly straight like the change plates. These have a slight angle, so you're going to want those up. So figure out, based on the size of your weights, which ones you're using, where you want this next one, and then bolt it through, and then we're going to get it nice and tight. And then for these ones, these actually have a threaded rod that you're going to put in one side, pass it through wherever hole you decide you want to put it in. So these are really movable, and just lock it down, get them both really tight, and you'll be golden. Besides that, actually that's it for this. This one's really simple. So obviously if you have any questions, let us know.